Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best Sweet 16 jewelry gift for girls. The Hope Love Shine 16th Birthday Necklace. If you're searching for something meaningful, elegant, and memorable to celebrate a milestone birthday, this necklace might just be the perfect choice. Let's begin with the design. This necklace features a beautiful and symbolic interlocking rings pendant, which instantly stands out for its simplicity and elegance. The two interlocking circles are more than just a design choice, they represent unity, love, protection, gratitude, and strength. These themes resonate deeply, especially during the Sweet 16 celebration, marking the transition into young adulthood. Made from high-quality sterling silver and finished in a luxurious 14K gold vermeil, the necklace offers durability and style. The 16 plus 2-inch cable chain, secured with a lobster clasp, ensures a comfortable and adjustable fit, making it suitable for daily wear or special occasions. It's designed to shine for years to come, serving as a constant reminder of a heartfelt gift and a cherished moment. Now let's talk about what makes this necklace such a standout gift. A Sweet 16 isn't just another birthday, it's a celebration of growth, dreams, and new beginnings. This necklace captures that spirit perfectly. It's a timeless keepsake that honors the unique bond between mother and daughter, sisters, best friends, or grandparents and their granddaughter. Whether you're giving it as a parent, sibling, grandparent, or close friend, it's a deeply thoughtful way to express love, pride, and encouragement. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. The minimalist yet meaningful design ensures it pairs beautifully with any outfit, from casual looks to more formal attire. It's subtle enough for everyday wear but elegant enough to make a statement at any birthday party or celebration. Another noteworthy point is the brand behind the piece, Hope Love Shine. This is a small business brand that emphasizes quality, meaning, and craftsmanship. Choosing this product means you're not only giving a beautiful piece of jewelry, but also supporting a passionate small business focused on creating impactful gifts. It's important to note that the product may not be available for shipping to all international locations, including some like India. So make sure to check delivery availability based on your region before purchasing. To wrap up, if you're looking for a meaningful, elegant, and lasting way to celebrate a young woman's Sweet 16, the Hope Love Shine 16th Birthday Necklace checks all the boxes. It's stylish, symbolic, and comes from a brand that truly values what this moment means. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more reviews of products that truly make a difference. See you in the next one.